How can I change button color in Gempages? It's very simple. We're gonna have to go here to search. Let's write button. Then we're gonna grab and drop this one here. And now we have our button, right? So if we want, we can change, I want the width and the height. And then here we have our button, right? Actually, let me change this to 400 by 400. Okay, here we have our button and normal, and I want to add hover. Okay, to change the text color, you can change the text color from here if you want to, and now it's changed, right? But what I like this hover button, and that's a very interesting feature because I can now, let's say actually add here 200, like so, or 100 maybe. And now when I hover the cursor over this button, the color is changing, and I can change this to maybe when I hover over, it's going to change to red. Okay, and it's changing to red, which is pretty cool, you know. And the background color, this could be like white, and then you hover, or maybe it could be red. Okay, and just make sure you select the button, and then you can change from here the text color, the background color, and the hover color. Okay, so you can also change the text color. Let's say when I hover over, it's going to change to blue, you know. You can also change that because you can see here the hover and then text color and background color. Okay, so I hope you found this short video helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.